My name is Jennifer Harrington. I had the all-on-4 implant procedure done in January. My teeth over the years have just been deteriorating. Both of my parents have horrible genetic makeup when it comes to the teeth, so I already had that going on, gum disease. My teeth were breaking down. A lot of them had already broken or had root canals, and as they progressively got worse, I had just kind of given up on doing anything about it.
Yeah, Jennifer came to our office last October for a consultation. Upon taking the CT scan, we see multiple teeth that are worn out to the extent that the nerves are exposed and multiple root canals being done, rampant decay happening on some of the remaining teeth. Unhappy with the smile, unhappy with the chewing capability and be able to really eat the kind of foods or being out with people and smiling. And so that's when we agreed on using the All-in-X treatment.
I absolutely love my smile, and I literally last night I went to sleep and my cheeks hurt from smiling so much because I'm not used to it. It feels amazing. I don't know how I went so long the other way.
So it does change, this procedure really changes lives because it transfers smile, transfers eating, so it makes a big difference in patient lives.
I have actually gotten a lot of questions from people at work who have younger people in their life that have bad teeth, and it's one of the reasons I actually wanted to be a part of this, not only because I absolutely love Dr. Kamel and everybody here, and they did a great job for me, but I hesitated even after seeing that commercial. I'm too young for this. I've always been told this isn't a possibility. So that's my big thing to anybody, young or old. Like, it is a possibility. You can be happy, you can smile, you can eat. This time last year, if I had known this is where I would be, honestly don't think I would believe that it was possible. So this is like my unicorn. This is what I've been searching for the last 15 years, and I finally found it.